Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to sync Google Chrome between your PC and your cell phone. Syncing ensures bookmark password. History and settings stay consistent across devices. First, log into Google Chrome on your device and click on the profile icon on the top right. Click on Turn on Sync and click on Yes, I'm in. Again, click on Sync is on and go to Manage what you sync. You can either customize sync or you can sync everything. For now, I'm just going to customize sync and sync everything. Now your Chrome experience is fully synced across all your devices. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.